Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Very good morning. Okay. And how many of them solving yesterday the 25 questions?
Yeah, I solved it, sir.
Okay, good. No problem. Who are solving, you can say to me. Who are not solved, I can having some clarity.
Sir,
Not, okay, good. There are only 4 students are said to me can be solved. Remaining students are not able to solve. Are solving anymore else? Remember that point. In that generally classes are explained one sequence, but examination not given that some sequence, that is given that some different type of questions. Then you can solve that questions. You have that some clarity. Otherwise, having that problem will be there. All are
Arithmetic
understood?
progress, sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Anyway, improve your practicing. Remaining students also can be start with practicing because of once you completed online classes, it's going on. When that government is decided to offline classes, that time it's a go for that every class will be there. Some students are facing that lots of problem in last year. Last year I seen that same problem. Here from that June onwards, it's your seniors. June onwards it's going on that classes. That classes, here some students are attend that online, some students are attend but not listening or not writing anything else. When in October or November is the start with that offline classes, that time lots of problems are facing because you don't know the anything in that chapter because of just listening only, not written anything else, not solving anything else. Finally, the student is end of that examination time. It's a facing even simple questions also. Sir, I cannot able to solve. What I am doing? What are important questions? What I solving? It's sufficient for examination. Like this one is there asking to me. Do you understand? That's why don't face that type of problems for your batch. Understood what I said?
Yes, sir.
At least, at least whatever I can explain in classroom, 5 to 6 questions, those questions are that day only complete in your notebook once again without see that solution. Suppose concept I can explain, write down formulas without see that notebook. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Last time also examination, so many students are attempt, almost 49 students here attempt that examination, no problem. If you whatever getting that marks or not getting that marks, in that paper discussion in 3 subjects, you must clarify that each and every question because this is the fundamentals will be there. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Last class I can explain arithmetic progression and geometric progression. After 3 more points will be there, that is called harmonic progression. What is the definition of harmonic progression? Harmonic progression mean reciprocal of arithmetic terms. Reciprocal of arithmetic progression terms is called a harmonic progression. What is the formulas for terms in arithmetic progression? Anyone?
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
uh.
A plus n minus 1 into d.
What is the reciprocal reciprocal?
1 by a, 1 by a plus d, 1 by a
1 by
plus
a plus
2d
2d,
and so
1 by a
on.
plus
Ah,
3d.
very good. 1 by a plus 2d, 1 by a plus 3d, etc. is called in harmonic progression. Harmonic progression. In harmonic progression is there. What is the general term? General term is there nth term. Therefore, 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d will be there. Here you can listen. Therefore, terms are in arithmetic progression. A1, that is here a1, comma a2, comma a3, etc. an are in arithmetic progression. Are in arithmetic progression. Therefore, 1 by a1, comma 1 by a2, comma 1 by a3, etc. 1 by an are in harmonic progression. Are in harmonic progression. Therefore, it's arithmetic progression. Terms are in arithmetic mean reciprocal terms are in harmonic progression. What is the reciprocal terms are in harmonic progression? 1 by a, comma 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus 2d, etc. 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d.
A
This
plus
is
n
the
minus
terms
one
in
into
that harmonic
A
progression.
plus n minus 1
In
into d.
harmonic progression, terms are 1 by
1 by
a,
a,
1 by a plus d,
1 by a,
1 by
1 by
a
a
plus
plus
2d,
d, 1 by a plus
etc.
2d
1
and
by
so
a
on.
plus n minus 1 into d. But sum of n terms of harmonic progression, there is no formula. Sum of n terms of harmonic progression, there is no formula. In is given that question, by observation of question can be find out that sum of n terms of harmonic progression. In arithmetic progression, sum of n term formula is there. Geometry progression also there, but harmonic progression there is a no formula. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down.
Over, sir.
Sum of n terms also, sum of n term there is no formula. Only nth term having that formula will be there in harmonic progression.
Sir, completed.
Okay. After lesson 1. Here harmonic means, arithmetic means, geometric mean, already I can explain the definition. There are two numbers are there, a comma b. N numbers are inserted. N numbers are inserted between that a and b. Resulting sequence are in harmonic progression. Therefore, inserted numbers are called harmonic means. Inserted numbers are called harmonic means. Listen. Here, that is, observe this one. Here, a, b are two real numbers, h1, h2, etc. are in inserted between a and b. Resulting sequence are in harmonic progression. Here is equal to listen. Therefore, a will be there and h1 and h2, etc. hn, that is there here, that is hn, here hn comma b are in harmonic progression. Therefore, any question terms are in harmonic mean reciprocal terms are in anyone? Terms are in harmonic. What is the reciprocal terms are in?
Arithmetic progression.
Arithmetic progression.
Arithmetic
Good.
Sir, completed.
Therefore, listen. 1 by a, comma 1 by h1 comma 1 by h2 etc 1 by hn comma 1 by b are in arithmetic progression. Already arithmetic means I can explain. Do you remember? Are you remember that arithmetic mean? Are you remember arithmetic mean?
Yes, sir.
What is the common difference of arithmetic mean?
A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2.
That is common difference of arithmetic progression. I am asking about common difference of arithmetic mean. I can given one formula. At least turn that pages and see that formula.
P is equal to A plus
B
C by
minus
two.
A by n plus 1.
Very good. What is your name?
Bhumaitri, sir.
Bhumaitri, very good. Here, what is the common difference of arithmetic mean? That is equal to D is equal to B minus A. B is called a last term. What is the last term is equal to 1 by B minus 1 by A divide n plus 1. That is equal to take LCM A minus B whole divide AB into n plus 1. That is called common difference of arithmetic, common difference of harmonic mean. Harmonic mean, what is the common difference? A minus B by AB into n plus 1. Here observe this one. In this one, first term in arithmetic 1 by A. What is the second term in arithmetic? A plus D. Therefore 1 by h1 is equal to A in place of 1 by A plus D. Therefore what is the h1 is equal to 1 by A plus D. What is the h2 is equal to? Same 1 by A plus 2D etc. What is the hn?
1 by 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D.
Therefore 1 by A plus n into D. This is equal to find out that harmonic means. What is the common difference of harmonic mean and how to find out terms are there. This is the method. Do it. Any doubt?
Side, please.
Same definition I can explain arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. Textbooks are given the different definitions, but you want to the learning that common points. That's why I can given definition in that arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. I given that same thing. That is same definitions I can given. Already I told materials are available in that Asilmetta campus. You can collect that material. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lesson 1. Here observe. Lesson. A comma B comma C. That is, here observe. A comma B comma C are in harmonic progression. A comma B comma C are in harmonic progression. Reciprocal of that each term. Here 1 by A comma 1 by B comma 1 by C are in arithmetic progression. Somebody is there in loudspeaker on. Don't switch on that loudspeaker. Here 1 by A comma 1 by B comma 1 by C are in arithmetic progression. If three terms are in arithmetic progression, what is the condition? Anyone?
B is equal to A plus C by 2.
Very good. Therefore, same thing. B in place of 1 by B is equal to A in place of 1 by A, C in place of 1 by C. Divide 2 will be there. Divide 2. Therefore, cross multiply. 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. Then what is the B is equal to 2 by 1 by A plus 1 by C. Do you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, A comma B comma C are in harmonic progression. What is the B is equal to number of terms A and C, 2 terms, divide sum of reciprocal terms 1 by A plus 1 by C. That means one harmonic mean inserted between A and C. One harmonic mean inserted between A and C. What is that? Harmonic mean is equal to number of terms divide. Then number of terms divide sum of reciprocal of the two terms. This is the one. Similarly, listen. What is the harmonic mean of A comma B comma C? Anyone in this class? How many terms are there here?
3.
3, sir.
3. 3 divide 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Same like this one. Two numbers are harmonic mean means number of terms divide sum of reciprocal of the two terms. Same like this one. Harmonic mean of 3 terms. 3 by sum of reciprocal terms. For example, harmonic mean of A, B, C, D. Anyone?
4 by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C plus 1 by D.
Very good. 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by B C plus 1 by D. Okay, quite. Already I told somebody is there. Again loudspeaker on. Here harmonic mean of A comma B comma C comma D is equal to here 4 by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C plus 1 by D. Again harmonic mean of A1 comma A2 comma A3 etc. AN. Anyone?
N by 1 by A. N by 1 by
N by 1
plus
1 by A1 plus 1 by B plus so on up
Very
to
good.
1 by AN.
AN. A2 plus etc. 1 by AN. This is called a harmonic mean of n terms are there. Harmonic mean of n terms. How to find? Number of terms divide sum of reciprocal of given terms. That is called a harmonic mean. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Copy it.
Sir, completed.
Sir, 1 minute.
Wait. No problem.
Sir, wait, sir.
Okay. No problem. Learn that each and every point. Don't absent that any day class. Always attend that class. Learn that subject. Already 9th class, 10th class not learn properly. That's why presently learn that from initial point. That's why I can explain to the from basic onwards.
Completed, sir.
Okay. After this is there, arithmetic mean is there. Do you remember arithmetic mean and geometric mean relation?
What, sir?
Arithmetic mean and geometric mean relation.
Arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean.
Very good. Arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. Same like here arithmetic and geometric and harmonic relation will be there. Write down. Next heading. Relation between arithmetic mean, relation between arithmetic mean, comma geometric mean, arithmetic mean, comma geometric mean, and harmonic mean, and harmonic mean, and harmonic mean, and harmonic mean. Listen, here arithmetic mean and geometric mean and harmonic mean. Here what is the relation? That is arithmetic mean always greater than or equal to geometric mean always greater than or equal to harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean always greater than or equal to geometric mean always greater than or equal to harmonic mean. Therefore, for two numbers I can consider here a comma b are two positive real numbers. Observe, a comma b are two positive real numbers. What is the arithmetic mean? A plus b by 2 greater than or equal to geometric mean root ab greater than or equal to harmonic mean
2 by
2 divide
2 by
1 by a plus
1
1
by
by
a plus
b.
1 by b.
2 by 1 by a plus 1 by b
plus
will be
1 by
there.
b.
Therefore, if two numbers are there, what is that AM, what is the GM, what is the HM, what is the relation this one? Here for this one, that is A1 comma A2 etc. AN or n numbers. AN or n numbers will be there. That means n positive numbers, positive real numbers. Therefore, what is arithmetic mean? A1 plus A2
A1 plus A2
etc.
plus so on up to AN
by n
by n
greater than or equal to A1, A2 etc. AN
A2
whole
etc.
power
AN
1 by n is greater than or equal to n by
n by
1 by A1, 1
by
by
A1
A2
plus 1 by A2
etc. 1 by
so on up to
AN
1 by
is there.
AN.
1 by AN is there. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Here, for example, what is the minimum value of? Here, minimum value of, listen, minimum value of a plus b plus c into 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. Minimum value of a plus b plus c into 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. How to find? Here a plus b plus c, when summation in AM, reciprocal summation in HM. That's why you can return AM greater than or equal to, what is that value? HM is there. AM greater than or equal to HM. Three numbers a plus b plus c by 3 greater than or equal to 3 by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Here that implies cross multiplication A plus B plus C into 1 by A plus 1 by B, that is A plus B plus C into 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C, cross multiply. What is the 3 into 3 is equal to?
9.
9.
9. Therefore, greater than mean minimum, less than mean maximum. Therefore, what is the minimum value is?
9.
9.
9.
9.
Very good. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then do it. This is the relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean relation. AM always greater than or equal to GM, always greater than or equal to HM. In this model, then where you can applying this inequality, suppose if asking that minimum, asking that maximum, minimum maximum is asking, you can use this is AM GM inequality. Coming so many chapters you can use, even first chapter also can be using in trigonometry AM GM HM inequality. Any doubt is there, you can ask to me. Any student don't leave that class before 10 minutes. Some students are before 10 minutes leave that class. Up to 12 means at some 5 to 10 minutes you must stay. After 12.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. I am not explain next point. First
Okay,
you
sir.
copy. At least next week examination, what are explain that questions, that models are given, you must answer. I can expect it for those questions must be solved in exam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can see. I don't want to the at a time, I want to the attempt that all questions you want to the good marks, not like this one. Slowly increase your marks, ultimately final examination time you can get good result, whatever exam you approach.
Sir, finish.
Okay. This is their arithmetic, geometric, harmonic progression, based on that point will be there. After one of them is there arithmetic geometric progression. Arithmetic geometric progression, write down next heading. Arithmetic geometric progression, AGP. Arithmetic geometric progression, that is AGP. What is that arithmetic geometric progression? If terms are there A1, A2, A3, etc. also in arithmetic, also in geometric will be there. Also in arithmetic, also in geometric also there. Therefore, listen, here terms are there. I can take A. Here A plus D into R will be there. A plus 2D into R square. A plus 3D into here R cube, etc. will be there. You can observe that here every term of first term, here only A, A into 1 I written. Every term of first term, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. are in which progression?
Arithmetic progression.
Arithmetic progression.
Arithmetic progression. 1, R square, R cube are in which progression?
Geometric progression.
Geometry progression. Terms also arithmetic will be there, also in geometric will be there. Therefore, the terms are called arithmetic geometric progression. Therefore, here terms in that are arithmetic geometric progression. A1 is equal to A2 is equal to A plus D into R, A3 is equal to A plus 2D into R square, A4 is equal to A plus 3D into R cube. Then what is the general term of AN? Here listen, I can give that some clarity. Here A3 will be there 2D R square, A4 will be there 3D R cube. One value less when AN is there. Anyone?
A
A plus n minus 1 into D. R power of n.
Yeah,
R power of n, sir.
R power n minus 1. R power n minus 1. Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D into R power n minus 1. Note down. Here given terms also arithmetic, also geometric. That sequence is called a arithmetic geometric progression. Arithmetic geometric progression terms are A plus D into R, A plus 2D into R square, A plus 3D into R cube, etc. This is called a general term.
Yes.
A plus n minus 1 into D into R power n minus 1.
Completed, sir.
All are completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this one, what is the terms in AGP arithmetic geometry progression? These are terms. Here, sum of n terms of AGP. Actually, one formula is there. Don't remember that formula. How to get, I can explain. That process only you must remember. Don't remember that formula. What you remember, how to get that formula. That process only you must follow. Then listen, how to find out that sum of n terms of AGP sequence. Lesson 1. Therefore, here sum of n terms Sn is equal to first term, second term A plus D into R. Next term is equal to A plus 2D into what is the value R square, etc. What is the last term? A plus n minus 1 into D into R power n minus 1. R power n minus 1. By observation this one. Here, what is the 2 plus 0?
2.
2 only. Therefore, 0 adding any value plus 0 always that value only. Therefore, here last I written that plus 0. Don't be confusion. Just I can do that plus 0. 0 adding or subtraction,
sir.
value never be changed. What is the common ratio of in this sequence? What is the common ratio of in this sequence?
A.
A.
Common ratio in geometric. Very good. R is called a common ratio. First term is the A. First term A, common ratio R, multiply R, entire equation, R into Sn. R into A, that is called AR I written, here AR plus
D
R
square.
into second term,
square.
what you get? A plus D into R square, etc. What is the this term? Before term is
plus
there,
n
what is the
minus
term? Last term before.
A plus M
n minus
2. A plus n minus 2 here. Observe. A plus n minus
R power n
2
minus
into D will be there into R power n minus 2 multiply mean R power n minus 1.
1 into D.
What is the last term?
power n.
A plus n
N.
minus 1 into D into R power n. Because R power n minus 1 into R is equal to R power n. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Therefore, subtraction of both. Here I written 0 plus. Therefore, 1 minus R into Sn, subtraction, A minus 0, that is called A. Next one, you can subtraction in these two. AR cancel. You can get DR. Next DR square. Next DR cube, etc. Last this one, that is called D into R power n minus 1. Here this subtraction, A plus n minus 1 into D into R power n. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Therefore, here is equal to A will be there. What is the common in middle? DR common. You can get 1 plus R square, etc. R power n minus 2, etc. R power n minus 2 minus of A plus n minus 1 into D into R power n will be there. Here A plus this total simplification also no need remember. What is the remember? That first two steps only. Suppose AGP sequence given, you want to find out sum of 20 terms. Write down, multiply common ratio, subtraction. After simplification, here you can listen. This is the DR total. 1 mean R power 0. 0 to n minus 2. That's mean n minus 1 terms are there. Geometric progression. Sum of n minus 1 term. A is called 1. R per here is there. Observe. That is 1 minus R power n minus 1. Divide 1 minus R minus of A plus n minus 1 into D into R power n. Any doubt? Therefore, again I can explain. Here you can understand this third step.
Yes, sir.
From this one, 1 R square, R power n minus 2. 1 mean R power 0. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. How many terms are there?
4.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many terms are there?
Yes, sir.
5.
5. Same like here R power 0, R power 1, R power 2, R power n minus 2 will be there. R power n minus 2 is there. How many terms are there? Total largest one plus 1. N minus 2 plus 1, what is the value?
Minus 1.
Therefore, that is I written. What is the formula? Geometry progression sum of n term. A into 1 here. A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. That formula I can apply. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, 1 minus r into Sn, what is the Sn is called? Divide 1 minus r, a by 1 minus r, dr into 1 minus r power n minus 1 by 1 minus r whole square minus a plus n minus 1 into d by into r power n by 1 minus r. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That is the big formula. Don't remember that formula. No need to remember that formula. I can explain in questions also. Same process I can explain because process is the required, not for that last line. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down. Note down, one more last point will be there after I complete the class. At least start with the preparation. Start with the preparation. Today learn these all formulas. Who are not solve arithmetic progression questions? Those students, previously I can explain arithmetic progression. That question, what are explained, that video will be there in YouTube. You can see and solve once again that questions.
Sir, they're deleting regularly, sir.
Okay, no problem. Some students are not solving. Those two I told to the further those students.
Sir, for maths, we should take NCERT textbook.
No need, no need. NCERT very less level for maths. Physics and chemistry is good, but maths is not good.
Then which book we want, sir?
Then mathematics, it's a college given that one material, lots of questions will be there. But again the DPP is the preparing, that is also given. It's a sufficient, no need buy that any books. Don't waste your money. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Very good questions will be there in material. Material only explain in classroom also. Don't worry, you can take that material from that Asil Mehta campus.
Sir, how much a material cost?
I don't know. Once you ask principal, sir.
Sir,
Sir, there's no need of NCERT.
No need NCERT. No need any books for mathematics. I think clearly. No need buy to any books for mathematics. You can buy that material. It's sufficient. Completed?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Quick. Only 2 minutes, not only more. Listen. Here, this is sum of n terms is equal to, this is the equation. For in geometry progression, do you remember one point I can explain? When r value less than 1, mod r value less than 1. What is the r power infinity? R power infinity, already I told that value 0. Therefore, when r value less than 1, power infinity always equal to 0, already given in that geometric progression. Same thing here. Here is equal to mod r value less than 1, sum of infinity term. First term is the same, a by 1 minus r. Second one, dr into 1 minus 0 by 1 minus r whole square minus r power infinity 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. That is there a by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r whole square. Therefore, sum of infinity terms is equal to a by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r whole square. That is there, must remember here sum of infinity terms of AGP sequence, that is the statement is here. Note down. Sum of infinity terms AGP, S infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r whole square.
Completed sum.
Okay. This is their learning today. Tomorrow class I can explain to the there. This is the points. What are the points will be there? Here after only one small point will be there. That point explained. Then I can start with that. Questions are based on geometric, AM, GM, HM and the AGP sequence. After some special questions also there. Coming 1 or 2 classes I can explain. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.